Closing in the week, holding on to that 25,000 mark. Let's just bring up the Nifty intraday graph as well. A little sub that mark at 24,967 is where we're shutting shop for the week. But let me hand it over to Snehi for the closing trades.
Well, absolutely, Aisha. 24,967, 970 thereabouts is where we seem to be closing today's trading session. However, we have 2.5 minutes. Let's see if we can surpass the 25,000, but doesn't look likely for that to happen. 0.1% lower coming in on Nifty. Sensex also 0.2% lower. Below that, 81,500 mark coming in. However, our performance was seen from the broader markets today because Nifty mid cap and small cap each inched up about 0.5% each, and strong support, in fact, coming in, outperforming the benchmarks at least is the broader markets. However, if you take a look at the advance decline ratio, it is very evenly distributed between the advances and the decline. So very even market, but well, lackluster to sum it up, and not much happening on the Nifty in today's trade. If we take a look at some Nifty gainers today, Trent, Hindalco, Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, ONGC, HUL, all of these stocks were in the green. However, what weighed on Nifty today was TCS after a poor set of results coming in yesterday, not meeting the street's expectations, and brokerage is also not sounding very bullish on that stock. M&M, ICICI Bank, Cipla, Maruti Suzuki Power Grid, all of these are your top Nifty losers of the day as well. But let's take a look at some sectoral gainers and losers today. Nifty Pharma on top of all the sectors today. Big sectoral winner today, 1.2% higher is where Nifty Pharma is at, followed by Nifty Metal, IT. Both of these have also closed in the green for the day. You have Energy and FMCG also that seem to be barely holding on to the green. However, what did not do well today was Nifty Bank, because almost 0.7% lower is where Nifty Bank was, and that was weighed by ICICI Bank, AU, Bank of Baroda, IDFC First, Axis, IndusInd, HDFC. All of these banks did not do very well. So you have the large and the small banks that did not perform very well in today's trading session. However, let's once again shift focus to pharma because that's been the top sectoral gainer. Granules, Ipca Lab, Mankind, Divi's, Lupin, Aurobindo, Laurus Labs, all of these have been your big pharma gainers in today's trading session as well. So lots to talk about when it comes to other newsmakers and buzzers as well. You had Sudarshan Chemicals in the last few minutes of trade. That stock has inched up about 18% because its wholly owned subsidiary shall acquire the pigment business operations of UBAC Group of Germany. So that's positive. Bandhan Bank on the back of the new MD and CEO approval by RBI, and also the payout from the National Credit Guarantee Trustee company as well. So two positive news flows. Bandhan Bank also up 11.5%. Solid moves coming in on both of these stocks. Ashoka Buildcon also lowest bidder for a 918 crore project, so good move on that one. Exide has invested almost 100 crores in its battery subsidiary, so very good move coming in on that stock as well. Oberoi Realty was also up 2% on the back of the fundraising. However, what did not do well was Cummins India on the back of a brokerage note coming in from Goldman Sachs with a sell recommendation. So well, this is how we are shutting shop for the day. Let's just pull up the Nifty chart once more. 24,974 thereabout is the level that's reflecting on the screen. 1/10 of a lower lackluster trade coming in this Friday for Wall Street. For the Lal Street.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.